Welcome friends. Short questions and answers. Blood part 5. Explain what is mean corpuscular volume MCV. It is average volume of single erythrocyte or red blood cell. Normal value 78 to 94 femtoliter or micrometer cube. Mathematical calculation is hematocrit divided by red blood cell, that is total RBC count multiplied by 10. Explain mean corpuscular volume, that is MCV, decrease in iron deficiency anemia. In iron deficiency anemia, due to iron deficiency, heme and therefore hemoglobin can't fully synthesized, so red blood cell appear smaller in size than normal. MCV means average size of red cell, so it decreases in iron deficiency anemia. Explain hemolytic anemia is associated with jaundice. In hemolytic anemia, there is excessive destruction of red blood cell, so increase free hemoglobin level in blood, that is hemoglobinemia, which degraded finally into bilirubin, so hyperbilirubinemia, which is responsible for yellowish discoloration of skin, and that is known as jaundice. So hemolytic anemia is associated with jaundice. Explain lymph nodes are called defense barrier. When an antigen or microorganism enter the human body, one of the secondary lymphoid organ trap it. If the agent penetrate tissue, likely to be trapped in the draining lymph node first before entering the blood, which activate T and B lymphocyte and then cell mediated and humoral immunity. So lymph nodes are called defense barrier. Explain thymus is important for immunity. Lymphocyte from bone marrow comes to thymus. Here they get processed in thymic environment with the help of the hormone thymosin and thymopoietin. After education or processing, they are known as T cell, which are capable of cell mediated immune response against appropriate antigen. Early thymectomy do aplasia of lymphoid tissue and eliminate response to antigenic stimulation. So thymus is important for immunity. Explain lymphocytes are basis of acquired immunity. When bacteria, virus or foreign protein or toxin enter the human body, they get phagocytosed by the macrophage, and antigenic product of this organism are liberated, which activate beta lymphocyte and T lymphocyte, responsible for humoral and cell mediated immunity respectively. B cell also act as antigen presenting cell and help in the acquired immunity. In this way, lymphocytes are basis of acquired immunity. Explain. Erythropoietinogen is necessary for erythropoietic factor. Hypoxia stimulate release of renal erythropoietic factor from the kidney, which act on plasma globulin, also known as erythropoietinogen, to form erythropoietin, which is hormone which stimulate erythropoiesis. Explain, in HIV infections, immunity of victim falls, or explain HIV increases susceptibility to infection. HIV means human immunodeficiency virus, preferentially enter and reside in helper T cell and causes destruction of this T cell. Actually, it is human T lymphocytic virus. So it acts on the human T lymphocyte and destruction of this T cell. So number of T cell decreases. Without adequate number of T cell or T lymphocyte, the B cell can't make antibodies and cytotoxic T cell can't function properly. So in HIV, both cell mediated and humoral immunity get paralyzed. So in HIV, immunity of the victim falls and increases susceptibility to infection. Explain, neonate usually suffer from hyperbilirubinemia. In all newborn, especially premature means those baby born before 9 months. So in all newborn infant, after second day of life, transient hyperbilirubinemia appear, which is due to first accelerated rate of destruction of red blood cell, second due to immature hepatic system for conjugation. Basically, there is a subnormal glucuronide transferase activity which help in the conjugation of bilirubin. Absolute count and its importance. Now, absolute count is number of particular type of leukocyte or white blood cell per cubic millimeter of blood. Importance. In differential count, we only count 100 cells. So it may show only relative increase or decrease of particular leukocyte. Example, in differential count, increase in the neutrophil may cause relative decrease in number of other type of leukocytes. But because here total leukocyte count increase, the absolute count of each other type of leukocyte is normal. Thus, differential count may not show actual increase or decrease in the number of particular type of leukocyte. For this reason, absolute count is necessary. Explain, platelet get stick to rough surface. Platelet membrane coated with glycoprotein that repulses adherence to smooth endothelial surface of blood vessel. But in vessel injury, this lining is disrupted and platelets having integrin, which is membrane bound protein, adhere to and are activated by exposed collagen. And in this way, platelet get stick. Explain, gamma globulin called immunoglobulin. Probable explanation to this question: immunoglobulin is a functional term while gamma globulin is physical term. A gamma globulin is term describing its mobility in electrical field. Most of the immunoglobulins have gamma mobility, but some may have beta, but majority have gamma mobility. So gamma globulin are immunoglobulin. Explain blood clot retract following coagulation. Within few minutes of blood clot, there is contraction of platelet due to actin, myosin and thrombostatin present in the platelet, which shrink, that is fluid squeezed out of clot, and fibrin mass which pull the edges of damaged blood vessels, which contribute to hemostasis. Thank you. Jai Swaminarayan.